It's FragWatch here. Yeah, FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the 3 new Steelseries Performance Mousepads. Pretty nice. We have, let me move them up here. You can see the thing. Got the balance, the speed, and the control. Okay, let's start with the speed pad. Yeah. Nice. We got a little preview hole. Ooh, that's smooth. Very silky. Balance. Okay. Okay, this is going to be interesting. All right. Open this up. One on the other side. Yep. Oh, and they've got nice little pull tabs. It comes off pretty clean. Nice. Okay. Okay. Let's move these other 2 off. Let's see if this comes out and unrolls nicely. Let's throw that on the ground for now because I'm a heathen. All right. Comes on some backing. Oh, that means it's going to be super sticky. Okay, so let's get these on the floor here. Getting these on the floor. Take this mouse pad off my desk so we can put this one on. By 4114. You were a great pad. I'll do my review on that in a few days. That's a good one. Move all these pads out of the way. Unroll this sweet boy. All right, here we go. Oh. Sorry, I had to do that. That I don't like. I can tell you that already. Okay. My autofocus is going out of control. They're a little small. See if we can get this to flatten out. Pretty good. See the Trinity on it? Oh, that's very fast. Very little give to it. Okay. That's the speed. Okay, let's just flop that right there. We got performance, balance, the balance pad. All right. This open. I think these were like $35 US a piece when I bought them. Bought them directly from Steelseries. I'm hoping this is a pad, or these are pads I can recommend to the more the global community, people in the Middle East, India, Brazil, Africa. So your marketplaces don't have very much, and what you do have is very expensive. And Steelseries seems to distribute more widely and have more reasonable prices for more regions. So I'm hoping these can be... Look at this debris that's inside this. Like, it's kind of unacceptable. Like, look at all that, man. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's a ton of, like, white shit all over it. Drive me nuts. Okay. Flatten this out. This is my flattening method. If you've seen my other videos, you know it pretty well. Okay. Oh, much more controlled. Yeah, okay. So the balance is, ooh, look at that wiggle. Look at the pad wiggle. Oh man, is this going to be like the fucking ATK pads where they're great, but they just have terrible backing? This backing is like, it's an improvement, but it is not pour on. Okay. Move on to the control pad. Yep. Where is it? There we go. Okay, this is the control. Very nice. I'm excited for these. I really am. Should be... Oh man, that one was on there. Boy, oh boy. There's some strength to get that out. Dang, oh dang. This is probably going to be their most popular one, I can imagine. Kind of known in the FPS community. So my smoothing method for... Damn, that feels like a Heian. That feels like an artisan Heian, the fabric. Almost 1 for 1. That's crazy. Backing sucks. It being not flat packed sucks. Anyways, here we go. So my method is like go a third up, middle out, down, and middle out, across, then over here a third out on this side. I usually smooth the middle, top, bottom, and then smooth up and down the middle. That's pretty good. Oh, that flattened out better than the other pads. Ooh, man, that is Heian like. It's not very. It doesn't have a lot of give. I wonder if this is 4 millimeters or 3. It's very. It's like an artisan. It's like an artisan mid. It's not very soft. This feels just like a Heian. Yeah, okay. That's the, get them back up here. That is the artisan pads. Or not the artisan. Ooh, man. Is that a slip of tongue? I don't think so. But here we go. So these are, I'm trying to line up the tags up there. Kind of cool. There we go. These are the Steelseries QcK Performance Pads. Unboxed and ready to test. 60 hours to test all 3 of these. 20 hours a piece. Oh man, that is just... Yeah, that's slick. Jesus. Let's start with the control. Let's start with the best first. I can survive it too. Alright. Thanks for watching. This is FragWatch. I'll catch you guys in the next one.